Connor kind of told our story. Steven, why don't you tell yours a little bit?
Yeah, I'd love to. So yeah, my SEO journey is a little bit different, but also did start in college. So I was on the kind of finance MBA fast track. Didn't really have a plan, but kind of knew that, I knew spreadsheets, knew numbers, and that was kind of like, okay, I'll put it to use, go into investments or corporate banking, something boring. And around that same time, my friend and I were in an entrepreneurship class together, working on a project, and he mentioned that he was a business owner, and I was like, yeah, right. Like, what are you doing on the side that do you think that you'd be classified as a business owner? And yeah, lo and behold, he was right. He was building niche affiliate websites and was doing it all through organic SEO, no social media, no paid ads. And at that time, like when we were in college, he was already making, 5 figures, probably 15, 20K per month as a college student. And we were just blown away. I was blown away because I didn't even know that was one, fathomable, and two, obtainable while you're still doing everything on the side. And so pretty much learned that and scrapped my college track immediately, started building websites pretty much from that day, and tried to learn SEO as quickly as I could, and just really used him as a mentor and friend, and kind of scaled that into a couple of different websites. We connected with his partner and grew a portfolio of content sites, and that, over a multi-year long period, scaled into about 40 different sites within our portfolio. And we were pumping out about 300 to 400 articles per month. So yeah, my background is in managing all of the people and teams. We had a team of about 30 people working with us to do the keyword strategy, to do the outlines, manage the writers, all the uploading, the internal linking, the on-page SEO. I mean, it really took an army to kind of bring that entire system and operation to life. So it was a really good fit when I connected with Nate and Connor to, look to scale Trio. And, a lot of the systems operations were very identical to where I'd already been, because obviously now we can take that entire system that I had when I was doing it for myself with our other team and just replicate it for clients. And it's pretty much the same one-to-one model. So really excited to kind of dive into things today and, get Trio SEO off the ground.